There's this song in a when you watch shorts now, which is played everywhere. It's like an African song with like a techno beat and stuff, and it's played everywhere. So like if I just scroll, no, no, no. Oh yeah, this one. Doesn't mean that if I play this song, I will get like a million views or something. So let's see like what's the difference between parkour guy. Whoa. Impressive. Yeah, basically this song is like everywhere now. I think going down from there will be quicker. And like he has to climb it here. So now that's gonna be quick. Yeah. Like I'm not. Oh no, he's not gonna win. Okay, so no need for parkour. Wasted time. Yeah. Okay, so I don't really have to do parkour because I can walk quicker and run quicker. That's a good message actually. Parkour is dangerous, so let's not do that. But yeah, this song is like everywhere now. I don't know. I was just watching shorts, and I sometimes do that. Unfortunately, let's just show fewer shorts. Oh, and $2.4 million. That's yeah. So this is where we want our SaaS to be where this guy is. And obviously, you have to be careful with listening to that because then your expectations are huge. You expect that you'll start making $200,000. And maybe this guy was working and I was listening to this live stream, this podcast. He worked on it for a while, so it's not like he just like whipped it out with AI and next day he's making money. That's not how this stuff works. This stuff works by putting some work into it. So yeah, that's because someone commented on my video. So obviously when people comment my videos, I'm starting to think about what they commented and like, it doesn't hurt me or anything, I think. But on the other hand, I'm just like my brain is on it. Let's just drop it in the Discord. To show his up. Yeah, this is interesting. I kind of like the format. I will actually do like a show your app stuff. I have to think of the name. So it will be like a podcast, weekly podcast where people can book the spot, show their app, and then they will be rated at the end of the episode. Sounds actually very good. So we will be doing like a poll on thing, and then every quarter, let's say after 3 months. Oh no, there would have to be like a monthly, the best of the month, out of 4 that were the best during the weeks. Yeah, something like that. And then like at the end of the year, there would be like or maybe at the end of the quarter, there would be a price. I don't know. Obviously, the price is that your app is pretty good. That should be the biggest price, obviously, And I wouldn't be judging it myself only, I mean, I would be like one of the judges or something. And then I would maybe, I would invite like a business person, like a business expert. I think I know even where to get that kind of person from. So I think that's something I will do. I have to organize it well, but I think I will, I will get there. I will get there. I'm sure. That sounds like a good idea. What do you think, guys? Is it a good idea where people come and present their apps and then we judge them like a panel of like 3 people or something, like idle. But this is for apps. You could sing, obviously. You could do singing as well, but I think the apps are the most important. This is something that I would be interested the most, you know? Discord. And then obviously, so people could come and show their apps, and some of them have really good apps, and some of them have okay apps. Hi there. What's up, rookie? Rajat, yeah. How are you today? And yeah, I tasked Rookie with some work, so he's asking how to do it. And basically, I have like an hour now, and then I will go to my parents. I have to drive to my parents, and there I have a doctor tomorrow who will remove a tooth from my face. There will be separate admin login from form as well, or we will use existing login page. Don't know, my friend. This is a hard question. Should there be separate for admins? Let's do separate. Yeah, let's do separate. We will hide it, and we will only know. What is this? Can you explain me? What's what? This is my desktop. This is like some mountain, and I have live streams where I'm working most of the time. But recently, I started asking people to join one, my Discord, and then two, to show me their apps. And people started showing what they are building, what they built. Started asking for some ideas, for some help with, I don't know, stuff that I don't know most of the time. Half of the stuff I can't really advise them on. But basically, they just ask me like, what do you think about the app? How is it, like, is it good and stuff? So that's one of the things. I have my own app, I have my own SaaS, and I've got like other ones that I'm building. But that's beside it. But basically, like recently, I started looking into like, okay, let's just start talking about apps that people have. And the next stage that I just came out, like this idea came to me today, is there will be a weekly live stream where I will be actually inviting people to show their apps that are building, their wherever, websites, apps, software, wherever they are building actually. And then there would be like a panel of like me and maybe some business guy and maybe some UX person. I could invite that kind of people. And then we would be like, advising on stuff. And then people would be voting how like the best app of the day. And then like we would have like every month we would vote for the best one of the month and stuff like that, Yeah, so that's a new thing I will do actually soon. I just have to figure out how to, who to invite, and it's an easy actually, like in a way, because it's a live stream where I just have to add a couple of like program and arrange people into calendar. Is this like a satisfying is this a satisfying answer for you? Because I basically like I'm a software developer. I've got like 15 years of experience of building stuff. And now I'm actually building my SaaS. Sorry, that's not it. Planero. So I'm building my SaaS product. So I'm actually trying to sell this one. And then I'm building another one, which is called, what is it called? Pattern Market. This is actually something I'm building with other people now. And it's on Vercel free instance. So it's going to wake up now. And I have also like a digital agency that I will be promoting. So basically I feel like I'm trying too many things now. But I think that this live stream will be actually pretty cool. And also I'm inviting people here to my Discord channel, where you can actually find people maybe to ask stuff about, for help. If there is something that you are building, maybe, you're interested in advice and stuff, you can contact me if you are finding, if it's something that you need, or you can sign up this, this form, fill up this form in which you are actually, if you're interested in building projects with other people, And if you are interested in some sort of role there, it could be even it could be designer, it could be developer, it could be like a project manager or something. I'll try to arrange people into projects, you know. So that's my goal for this now. So that's where I am. I think I hope I think it's quite exhaustive. It's enough. It's enough knowledge for now. Let's check what Rookie is writing. There's someone on LinkedIn who's trying to reach me. Let's see. It's like I think that might be a recruiter. Yeah, okay. So no. Yeah, okay. So yeah, that means that they don't want to hire me. Doesn't matter really for me. It was a weird company. So the flow should be, sorry, like, I think I will need to install the Discord on my phone because I was trying not to do that, but maybe I'll have to. Hello, Said. How are you? Have you got the app to show? Because I invite people to show their apps if they are building anything. And there will be a podcast soon where people will be showing their apps. That will be, yeah, it sounds like a really good idea. So this is one of my apps. This is my other app. Yeah, so here people can sell their patterns. And there will be, yeah, there's my digital agency that I'm trying to get people to work. So basically also like another thing. So let's say this Discord channel, yeah. This Discord channel, there will be people that are good and they are interested in work. And let's say my digital agency, which is called Pixels and Logic, will get some clients, yes? And I'm like really busy, like I'm super busy actually, but there will be clients who will be paying like real euros and stuff and real money. So then I might actually ask people from Discord to join me on that project and maybe build them for me, which I would pay them for. So that's another avenue. I don't know if it's going to work. We will see. Obviously, the more people I have, yeah, the more competition there is, so better quality of developers I will get. But on the other hand, I feel like I can sell that kind of service, you know, where I'm a face of the company, so I'm speaking to a client, then I'm managing it myself, and maybe I would bring a project manager who I have actually in my circles, who is helping me on the pattern market project, this one, and she would be managing people in that project, and then we would build it and pay people. That would be a hope. But that's obviously like another avenue, yeah, you know. So Said, how do you plan to find clients? Through ads, Upwork, and anything else? Ads, yeah, I'm gonna pay for ads. That's my avenue. Plus, I will make some videos explaining that stuff. I already have a video which I'm promoting, and so far no one is actually calling. But I'm testing, you know. I need to find a way to actually get those clients. And so far, like at this moment, I'm not really putting that much money into those ads, you know. But I feel like I'm planning to put like a much more money into them. But I really like, I'm working with a marketing person, like a marketing specialist, and she gives me feedback on those products. So for example, this is like a 16 pages report that she created for me on Planero, how to market it. And I just need to walk through it, read it all. And then she will help me also with Pixels and Logic because she will be actually involved in those projects. Sorry for that. I'm blowing my nose to the microphone. That's probably one of the worst thing I could do for my listeners. But yeah, I'm sick actually. So yeah, that's how I see it actually now. What about you, Said? What are you? Who are you? What sort of person are you? Are you building your app, or are you a developer? Are you some sort of a maybe project manager or something? Like what interests you actually in this topic? Why are you here, and what interests you? And in the meantime, while you are actually responding, I will drop the Discord channel obviously in the chat, so that's important. Yeah, I just realized that sometimes I blow my nose into the microphone, which might be actually the worst. Yeah, the worst sound. Discord. Discord. So that's a link to my Discord channel, pin message. This is the best place to contact me, basically. So if you, I don't really like to do LinkedIn too much anymore, or email. Also, so Discord is the best. And what else? Oh, and on Discord, as I said, there is a forum where if you're interested in a project together, I don't know, we'll see how, I'll try to figure it out so I will keep this survey throughout the March, and maybe in April I'll try to assign people into projects and see how they go. You know, some of them, they have actually good ideas, you know, and some of them are actually already building stuff. So, you know, that's the thing now. What else was there? Oh, so I will actually start advertising on this. I need to do some work here. I need to do some work here as well. Let's get back to to hustle, basically. Let's get back to code and hustle. Oh, and sometimes I play Polish folk music. That's another thing. Let's just do that, actually. So I've got like my playlist called programming music. And it's obviously like loud straight away. So I'll just make it less loud. Yeah, so it plays in the background. I kind of like those dancing Polish girls. So like they're quite pretty and quite happy. I mean, not all of them are super hot, but you know, whatever. Not all the women are. Thanks for subscribing, somebody. Good to see you in the... Good to see that number going up, you know? I do like that, to see that, you know? When the number of subs is like animated up. So it's not 1187, but it's 11188. So thank you for that, my friend. Join the Discord channel if you're interested. And I will try to do some work, obviously, unless you guys have some ideas you want to drag me into not working. Because basically I have to fix like a image upload in this website. So we've got the image upload that is using Firebase to upload images. Should hear some Indian music. Yes, I tried the other day, but then it was copyrighted. Yeah, the thing is like copyrights, you know, the music that I'm playing, I actually like it very, very much. But the music I'm playing, it's safe. I can play it because there is no copyrights on it. I mean, the band that is singing it, they don't really mind you playing it. So, but when I played some Indian music, it struck my videos. I had some blocked. So, you know, yeah, that's YouTube for you. So I'm quite careful with what I'm playing now. It's not like at the end of the world if they block one of the videos. It's fine, you know, not the end of the world, but yeah, that's... then I'll have to like remove it or like do something with it. So that's not always like a good... What Indian music are you saying is good? Because like and don't send me like the big stars, okay? Because that will just obviously be block me. Yeah, like when... Yeah, not anymore. Oh yeah, yes, you can see, for example, here. That's one of my videos, and it seems like I started something. Yeah, some tag, so like I have to remove it or erase it, or just like it will just cut it out, you know, something like that. So that's annoying actually, usually. And then I have to like, just like, did I do this already? Yeah, I did that already. Usually it's not like a major thing, but you know. Or there's actually algorithm. There's a good YouTube algorithm that fixes it for you, and just removes it from the background. But you know, whatever. Yeah, good to see you. I hope you subscribed. And yeah, okay. So you said you're a programmer. Let's just no, that wasn't you actually. That was Said. So what are you? Like you're like a programmer. Like you build your SaaS or something. You work on code, you know. What are you? So that's my project. So I have to like connect the... Oh, and let's just fix those errors first. I'll just feed it to my AI, let it just fucking work on it. Oops. That's a good thing about AI now. AI coding, can you fix this? You just give it like a list of errors, it goes through them. Usually like it does good job, you know? At least I don't have to... I have to do it myself. I don't have to do it myself. Yes, building a SaaS, and I freelance on the side. Basically, trying to reach financial independence, just like you. Yeah, great. I applaud you, my friend. This is a worthy cause. I would do like I'm trying my best actually not to go back to some corporations. Although like I'm going to some job interviews because now I'm kind of unemployed, but I chose that status. I chose it actually myself because I've got some savings to keep me afloat for a year, even, or maybe 6 months to like 8 months to a year, depending how quickly I'm spending money. So for me, like right now, I'm not really making money from this stuff, but I feel like within a year I will figure it out like quite well, because like I've been actually running this channel for 3 months, and I've been working like this way. I've been working for 4 months now, and in 4 months I built pretty much all of that stuff that I showed you. The agency, I've built another website for my wife, who is actually making money on some other stuff. She has this like handcraft stuff that she's, it's getting very successful, and like I think the because I had time to actually build her website, I think it's contributing to her, to the business being more popular. So it's called Szklarnia Sielska, and this is a website I built over like a live stream. What's with the slash? Kind of weird flash here. Yeah, I'll have to check that. That's something silly. Yeah. What's this? This is like a bug, must be. Do we have anything in console? Yeah. So, minified reactor error. Yeah, I'll have to trace that. But basically that's another business, and YouTube is a business. So I actually, I'm doing a bit too many businesses now. But yeah, this one is something that immediately might be able to bring some income, if I advertise it well, if I do it well. This is something that is being built by me and a couple of other people. So I brought in, currently there's 5 people actually working on it, and most of them are working for free, not for free actually, for equity. So they're working for equity in that company. And one person is being paid as well, but luckily not, it's affordable for me. What is this guy doing? So he walked for 120 kilometers, whatever. How much do you charge for a website build? My pricing is here, Pixels and Logic. Websites, yeah, that's about that. That's a landing page, some more complex business side. This, and obviously, like if it's something more complex, then obviously it's gonna be more. That's for XLB8. Exe. Wow, sounds like we are trying to hack something. Like maybe not hack something, but like one of those weird files that you might download and not know what it is. Go to channel. Shell Ghost. Ah, you've been even like playing games, yes? And what are you actually, XLR8? Are you also a developer? Are you a designer or something? Sometimes I have to disappear to blow my nose, unfortunately. I hope it's not. I mean, this microphone is sort of here, so when I'm blowing my nose there, I hope it's not being picked. That was too old now. I'm an editor, learning After Effects, but still earning something around 500 to 1,000 a month. Oh, nice. Are you like a? Oh, so you are making this much as an editor, like a video editor? Oh, I was actually like, yeah. Am I looking for editors? Like I'm very like, because I'm building this channel now. I'm looking for people to make shorts or clips, but so I'm ready to pay people, but not that much. And then I would share with them profits from monetizing the channel, which I think like I'm not that. I mean, it's not the closest. I think I'm like 3 months away from monetizing this channel. So. Unless I just pay some like, you know, people who email me and they say for $400, I could have enough watch hours. But I think I will do it the hard way, unfortunately. Make sure to subscribe. Join the Discord channel if you wanna like work on stuff together.
No to dla ciebie jakby długopiec, żebyś mógł to zanurzać w atrament i tu pisać, dobra?
Jasne. Monika, nie pokazuj się, dobrze?
Podobam się.
No. We try not to show our kids in the internet, so that's why we... Yeah, so like it sounds like you are doing a pretty good job, you know? 500 to 1,000 as a editor, it's probably not too bad. Thanks for subscribing, somebody. Good to see you. Do you have a... Yeah, so... Now I'm editor. Okay, so what about like... Oh, someone unsubscribed now. Oh no. Today was my last day at college and I will be going to uni. So I was looking for something related to this software things. You wanna build like a software? Because it's fun journey. It's a lot of work, obviously. It's as much as, you know, editing videos. And it's obviously as successful usually as editing videos. It takes a while to actually get to someone. Yeah. Yeah, but as a student, you make like a 500 to 1,000. That's a good one. You figured something out pretty well. When I was a student, I don't know if I was... I mean, I was working in Subway, making sandwiches. So, you were way ahead of me. Okay, what do I want to do here? Yeah. Oh yeah, I was going to figure out how to... Why pictures are not being uploaded. Let's just go here. Oh, let's just do it local. Localhost 3000. And then, yeah, I'm logged in. So faster do you think you became using AI? Okay, how faster do you think you became using AI? For me, it fluctuates a lot. Sometimes I'm very fast, sometimes even slower than by doing it by hand. Yeah, like this is like with AI. I think like basically the more I look at it now, the more I hate it. I don't really like some of my AI code, and I feel like it's faster, but I would say it's probably like 30% faster. It's not a 10x or something. I'm not really getting like a gains of 10 times speed when I'm developing with AI. Yeah, I would say probably 30% or something. Maybe if you like use some, I don't know, but I don't really see that much difference between those models, you know. I think Claude is slightly better than Grok and the Raptor or something. not that much. Yeah, not 10x. Like 10x, just imagine, like sometimes on a good day I would write like a couple of pages. Like in the past, before AI, I would write on a good day, I would, make, whatever, 2 or 3 pages or a couple of components or something like that. So that would be like maybe 300 lines of code. And then now obviously my AI can produce very quickly 3,000 lines a day. So easily it can outcompete me, outwrite me in terms of amount of lines. But the thing is, like, the problem is that it's not about how many lines you write. The better programmers, like I learned that actually hard way, that the less lines you write, the better. The better programmer you are. There's obviously a balance there, because if you try to throw everything in one line, that's also not good. But basically, like the general in average, the less code you write, the better to solve the problem. Obviously, sometimes you have to write extra. You have to write for edge cases. You have to do tests and stuff. So it's more code, obviously. There is some setup. There is some, utility functions and stuff. But like by general, the less code you write, the better. But with AI, you are actually shipping more and more code. So that's not really a good metric of good software. The good metric of good software is it's solving some problem. It's not like it has more lines of code or more features. Like even more features is not really, it doesn't mean better software. Often like you add, too much features, too many features, and it's a horrible software. It's becoming like, at some point it's just becoming even worse than before. The less, the better. It is no miss. Yeah, because like personally, like there's a couple of apps that have like huge amount of things. Like let's say Figma. I'm actually paying for Figma, and I'm using like 1/10 of it. I'm just using like a graphic editor. For example, they have AI and it's awful. Figma's AI is, sorry, not Figma, Canva. Figma's AI is pretty good. Okay. In terms of Canva, I'm using like 10% of it. So I could actually, like, even for the same price, I would still pay for, I could have like a 1/10 of this app for the same price. I wouldn't mind if it was just like for graphic editing plus pictures plus removing background. But it has like plenty of other stuff that is unnecessary for me, totally unnecessary. LinkedIn allows, oh yeah, I didn't try LinkedIn AI, but most of those AIs are just bad, or at least like okay. And I can see that many companies are actually like now they are stopping using AIs. Like, so you, like a couple of months ago, and I was actually talking about it, but I will repeat because it's interesting. There was this Polish website OLX, yeah. So this is a website where people sell their like stuff, it's like a garage sale or something. And maybe a year ago, if you were trying to search for something, it would force you to use the AI model. So I couldn't let's say I'm looking for a screen like a computer monitor. Let's say I'm looking for this, and you have filters here, which they probably spent lots of time actually building. But then you wouldn't see those filters. You would just see this stupid AI agent, And then it would ask you, can you type in what you are looking for? And I'm like, no, I want a filter. And then I would like, fuck it. I'm not gonna look for it. I can't find my filters. I'm closing the page. That's it. And I think what they had to realize is people actually stopped using their site and then just remove the AI crap. Yeah, AI and inflation. Yeah, that's what it is. Just like, I think there are good uses for AI. But mostly there are bad uses. People are trying to cram them in too many places. Plus, it's very expensive. So, like to integrate it, you really have to have a reason. Like it's like a feature that not always is necessary. Often, it's actually just dragging you down, and it's expensive. So people like for last 3 years, like I think the trend is going down. Like I can see that there is less and less websites where you can see like some sort of silly AI agent kicking around, I don't know, Amazon? Is there like anything in AI here? I can't see anything, luckily. Maybe there's something here. I don't know. I can't see any, like, you know, those stars, you know, there are those. Yeah, I think it's just normal Amazon as it used to be. But I think there was also a time when you know, when you went to Amazon, they would just force you to use their AI stupid agent. And now it's luckily back to normal. Because, like, I'm sure they worked on it many years. Like, many people worked on this to optimize it, and then, like, they just, like, replace it with some AI stupidity. And people are not that interested in that, I think. Like, AI is just like it's like a gimmick. AI is a gimmick. Was it? Yeah, okay, so there was like a agent here, but it's gone. Yeah, I maybe here? No. Yeah, there's nothing here. There's nothing. I don't see anything AI here. I think they just removed that. Game of Thrones. Let's see. Yeah, nothing AI here. I'm sure they actually tried and they didn't like it. Game of Thrones. A pillow. Yeah, okay, let's just fix my app. I will try AI to fix my app, actually. Let's see what's the problem, actually, with my image upload. Oh, there's still some... Do I still get errors? Has been renamed. Components will receive props. Whoa, am I still using it? That was AI? For sure. Do we have, like, component will receive props? Is there, like, anything like that? Did it, like, implement, like, class logic or something? No? It says that I have it somewhere, but I don't know. Maybe it's somewhere, like, in the API somewhere. Install hooks. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it doesn't seem to be there. Yeah, good readings, yeah. Yeah, okay, let's just... Hello there! How are you today? Yeah, I'm good, except I have a cold, like a running nose. And it's not really like due to sickness or anything. I'm not cold. I have a tooth problem, which is actually quite serious. Tomorrow I'm going to like this surgeon, like a tooth surgeon or something, like someone more advanced than just like a dentist, and they will try to remove it. I hope. So other than that, and my daughter is going crazy because we are trying a school and she overreacts now, so that's what we get now those days. I don't know if this good or bad. I think it's just normal. It's life. You get in your life, you get... Okay, let's just try to upload something and see what errors I'm getting. Well, access, yeah, okay. I think there's basically it's actually trying to hit the wrong endpoint or wrong service on Firebase store. There's this one, so I think it's... Let me just check which is mine. Firebase console Google. Yeah, I'll be fine. Don't worry. It's not like it's not deadly or painful. It's just like annoying, and there's like a nose running, so it's nothing actually too bad. And if they just remove the tooth and like clean it there correctly, I think it's gonna be fine. So it's this one, yeah. It's actually looking into a correct one. Oh, maybe that's because I didn't set up my credit card correctly. So I might actually need to do that. Because my old card ran out, and I think they might be blocking it. Yeah, I'll be fine. Yeah, it's hard to... I'm tough. I'm tough. Yeah, thank you. But thanks for the helps. Thanks for your nice words, guys. So, let's see where's my... Okay, I just need to modify... What's this? So I've got like a Blaze plan, but I have like a extension for uploading images here. Project ID. I don't know, should I show it? Maybe not. Yeah, I don't really see anything. There should be like a phone verification. Okay, what's this? Like a service in Firebase? You get the eye strain for long hours of double vision and double. No, I think my eyes are okay. That's from chat. Yeah, I don't really get eye strain too much, you know. I get tired, obviously, from too much work on the computer. But you can always do this. But no, I'm not really getting that, luckily. Or maybe I do, but not that much, actually. Okay, let's just do billing here. Not storage. No costs, this billing cycle. Okay. Blaze, no subscriptions. So I'm just like trying to figure out why my service doesn't work correctly. So it says yeah, uploading, yeah. What's the error here actually? There is actually, oh yeah, in Firebase I have this AI. Let's see what the AI is doing. Sometimes AIs are okay. Let's just see, because I think I was trying the other day this one. And I feel like they have like a, oh yeah, here, this crap. In my app that I want to connect to Firebase, I'm getting this error when trying to upload image. Any ideas? Subscribe guys, yeah. I do like subscribers. This number like animates nicely when you actually do that. So you obviously wanna check that. This what I'm actually looking at is my oh, is it cursor error? Whoa, this is actually should be easier than I thought. Here's brief overview, what happened and how to fix it. What is CORS? I know what's CORS. Okay, that's fine. If you don't know, it's your browser blocking requests. It's a standard thing if you do front and back end communications. And okay, the pre-flight request error, the specific error messages response to pre-flight request doesn't pass access control. Check. Does not have to have HTTP OK status. Means the browser first sends options. Okay, that's not really a solution. The solution: configure CORS in your storage bucket. To resolve this, you need to configure CORS. Okay, where's my storage bucket here? I'll just copy this. Where's the storage bucket though? Origin. Yeah. I'm not from US. I'm from Poland. Okay. The solution: configure JSON CORS to your storage bucket. To resolve this, you need to configure CORS policies on your cloud storage bucket to explicitly allow requests from localhost that. You can do this using the... oh, okay, so I will also do it for here. Yeah, but later. Yeah, okay, so origin, that's fine. Method, okay, you don't have to explain that. So next, apply this configuration to your Firebase storage bucket using gs util command. Replace pattern market this with your actual bucket. This is actually my actual bucket, is it? How do I get this gs ut? Install, yes. Do you have that? Install. Important gstut storage, like some sort of Google Cloud CLI. That's why. Set up Python. Oh, okay, so I can do it in Python. Good. Let's do another one. But global Python version. Yeah. Do I have to do that? I don't think I have to do it. Let's just see Python version. 313, yeah. Code 7. Should you see? Yes, I see that. If plan, compare, okay. So now, Windows, okay, so I probably have to do that, yes. Download the Cloud CLI installer. How is everything going in Poland? Is there any tension because of war? Anything like that? Nah, we got used to the war in Ukraine. You probably mean the Ukrainian war, or just... No, we don't care. It's just somewhere there, and yeah. I mean, it used to be like a tension ages ago, but now it's not really. I'm actually, for me, it's extra because my wife is Ukrainian, but yeah, they seem to be fine. Hey brother, I'm short from video editor, like TikTok and Instagram. Can I edit for you? Yeah, you can edit for me. Can you like contact me on my Discord? Yes. Kratos, can you contact me here? And let me know like what are you working on, what's, you know, whatever. What are your expectations and stuff. Then we can... Oh, the Discord is at the top of the chat. So join the Discord, contact me there, okay? That's the best. Like if you want to, you know, offer me something, sell me something, that's where you can do that. You will let me know how much you want and whatever, and I will consider that, okay? Because I don't know, like, I don't know if I said it on this live stream, but I'm actually looking for people who could edit my stuff and just get, you know, throw out the shorts. But for me, the best one would be if you just like, you know, if I wouldn't have to do anything there. So just like create a short and that's it. You just find the favorite parts, like you know, I could probably upload like a full version. Yeah, Kratos. Yeah, just contact me directly, yes? Kratos, will talk later. Yeah, I'll just invite you to be my buddy. And yeah, we will talk about that. I'm not very responsive here. I'll try to be, but like not always I will respond the quickest. Do you always stream at the same hours, and how many days a week? Okay, usually I'm streaming over every day. I might not be streaming tomorrow because of the nose tooth problem that I was talking about. I usually try to stream at 10 a.m. Polish time, and most of the time I manage to do that from like 9 to 10 a.m. And then around that time, I try to do that, but not like it's hard because I have kids and stuff and responsibilities, like family stuff. So it's not always, but the morning one is usually there, you know, usually I'm actually here. You always stream, okay. I'm also a WordPress developer. Let me know if there's any way I can help you. The WordPress, I'm not really, like, I'm not feeling it anymore. You know, I used to use WordPress recently when I tried actually WordPress on my wife's website, and I used to do like much more WordPress stuff. So pick that was Scrania. Okay, there's this like stupid jump I will have to fix. But basically, this first I've done this website with WordPress, and boy, what a nightmare. The site was slow, and the development was a yeah, the development was a nightmare. Yeah, so I just said like, fuck it, I will just do it myself. I don't want WordPress anymore. So what I would do WordPress for now, it could be a good as a database for like, if you have like articles or something, it could feed that page from WordPress. That's what I would do, you know, because this is Gatsby, so it's actually static site generator. So then WordPress I could use as a, but I can figure it out quickly myself. So unfortunately, I'm not really looking for WordPress developers. I stopped actually doing WordPress myself. I think it's yeah, I don't like it anymore. What type of edits you like? I don't know. I like, it's short, so like basically I just want like basic one. I think like me, just like if you just cut away like some, if you find something interesting there, you cut it away, you make it into 20 or 30 seconds just to give a thought, and that's it, you know. Like the less thinking there is, the better, I think. Is also fine, I think. Astro. What's Astro? Oh yeah, Astro. Yeah, okay, Astro is the alternative for Gatsby, yeah? Astro, is it JS? Framework optimized for building fast, content-driven websites, yeah. I never actually tried it, but it's probably good. Like here again. Yeah, this is quick. This is instant. This is good actually. That's why I don't really use. Okay, this is outside, but you can see that the website is nice. Oh, what's this? Okay, blog. Yeah, yeah. You can see that it's working nicely. Yeah, it's just there. It's there. Yeah, I agree. Astro seems good. Seems like a good solution. I heard of it. I never actually worked with it. I never worked with Astro. It looks neat. Is this like on React? Is this like a React library or just JavaScript? Documentation. Installation. Yeah. npm create extra. Oh, so it's just like, or is it like a separate work? Let's see the code. Yeah, looks familiar. Page structure. Yeah, looks similar to what they used to do in. Yeah, I might actually try it. Develop and build, configuration. Oh, where's the guides and recipes? Let's see like some templates. Okay, I might try actually next time. I'm bored of React. I'm tired of React. Let's just not do it anymore. Yeah. Hello. And one more thing, a WordPress website can have a very good speed, but it depends on the developer. Yes, but like I'm not one of those developers that can actually, but like it cannot have this speed. It's not gonna be this fast, you know? So for example, that's my pixels and logic. This is a, okay, let's just open it in you know, here, no cache, yeah? Okay, this blog, yeah? It's not gonna be this fast. And I think like fast websites are actually important. Yeah, and like I mean, unless you are like a wizard in WordPress, I would not, you know, I didn't know how to do it. And especially if you are using those templating agents, like templated machine, not machines, not agents, engines, yeah, templating engines. It's not really easy to get to that point. So like now I would use WordPress as a backend for my app, and that's it. And one more thing, a WordPress website can have a good speed. Okay, yeah, I read that. I might try to Astro next time. Looks good. Okay, I wanted to fix my... Yeah, okay, here. Is it like, do I do it in the project or what? I should be reading those comments. Sometimes I don't. Here. Do I have this? Oh, okay, so I'm done. Finish. Okay, Google recommends using CLI. Yeah. Instead of G. Okay, so they just recommend that. Google just recommended that. That's true. No, I mean, you know, that WordPress is good, is okay. Reinitialize this configuration default. What? Okay. Welcome. This command will take you through the configuration settings. Default are screen render true. Usage reports true. Pattern true. Let's just do one. Yeah, I think that's... The current configuration has been set to default. Okay. Choose the account you want to use configuration. Sign in, yeah? That's the one, obviously. Allow. Oh, okay, so it already had that. And that's delivery web app. Too many websites here. Pattern market 8. Most of like web development and stuff, it's actually this, you know, you're trying to set something up, connect something, get through the errors. Like the sexy part of like vibe coding, where it's just like you're adding UIs and endpoints and like you know, displaying stuff on the page is actually probably least. You know, that's probably like 20 or 30% of work. Most of it is like struggling with like some configurations and stuff. Or trying to like get through some error. Okay, are we done? Okay, let's try actually to upload something locally. Localhost 3000. So if I edit this, so where's the picture here? Hey, that didn't work. Maybe I have to restart my environment here. Because we have finished that, yes. Let's just try to restart all of this. Yep. Yarn star, that's backend, and that's frontend. That's why I like Node.js. It's just like everywhere is the same. You can make backend and frontend with the same stuff. It's nice. Yeah, so where's the... Let's see if it's gonna work now. Has been blocked. It's still like course policy still seems to be. Yeah, let's try on. Try actually my AI agent. Let's see what it will tell. Here. I'm getting this. Oh, maybe I didn't actually go through like full guide. There. Where was it? Here. Also important to ensure Firebase storage security rules are configured correctly. As by default, Firebase storage bucket requires Firebase authentication. However, your current error is specifically a course issue. To explain. Oh, let's see actually if my error I have set up. What did I do with? This already. Google as recommended, but it doesn't work. Yeah, thanks for subscribing, someone. Good to see you, my friend. Good to see you. I think I will stay another 10 minutes and then I will be going to visit my parents and, you know, and maybe in the evening I will do some more work here, somewhere at night when my kids are asleep, but for now I might need to go soon. You can also set course via Firebase CLI, which, okay, let's try that. I think I have this CLI actually. Let's see. Oops, no. Do you have Firebase CLI? Let's see. Download. I was sure I have it actually, but maybe not. Download binary. Today's like earlier live stream was really popular. I was showing people's apps and like, you know, like people started coming at one point. Really nice. Yeah, as I was saying, I think I will do like a podcast where it's just gonna be only about that. So people will be showing their apps, their ideas, you know, pitching them to, you know, wherever. And there will be best prices for the best app of the week and stuff, or day, wherever. Don't run. You protect your info. Run anyway. Setting up environment. Good. Although I was sure I have CLI, Firebase CLI. I'm sure I installed it before. Come on, go. All right, CLI is set up. Okay, so I didn't. Seems like I didn't have it, or maybe I just have to do it here. This command. What was it saying there? Here. Yeah, I'll just copy this. Copy. Oh. After, okay. And it says it's not really Firebase. I'm getting this. Ah, come on, AI. Fix your problems. Help me, help me. Don't be... Okay, let's try here. PowerShell. Maybe. Okay, gcloud login. Yeah, I think I have gcloud logged in. Try that. Paste. Allow. Good. Logged in. And now
Dobro ziele rośnie w ciemnym lesie. Kto ma serce dobre, czyste, ten ziele przyniesie. Dobro ziele, drobne jak stokrotka.
okay, user project ID. Yeah, that's the project ID. Updated property. I think it looks good. This course. Okay. No, there is this one. I'm sure there is a bucket. Oh, there isn't actually. I got this error. Yeah, okay, so I'll probably have to set up a bucket, so it will help me now. To probably give me something to set up a bucket, basically. Hello guys, good to see you. Did you subscribe? Did you join the Discord channel? On the Discord, we can work on some projects together, maybe. If there's enough people interested in building things. So far I had like 6 people put like at least this morning when I was checking. Maybe now it's more. Earlier it was like 6 people interested. Maybe there's more now. We don't know. But yeah, subscribe obviously. Debugging for missing translation error. Okay. Oh, that's obviously. Okay, let's just run this one. G shell. G suite ls. What? Okay, I think like maybe it's here. G suite G S U. Okay, yeah. Okay, it doesn't like the end, I guess. Config list, I don't know, should I always hope it's not gonna show any passwords. Doesn't seem to. No passwords, good. Yeah, as I was saying, I will be going in 3 minutes, so that's enough for today. And like it's my 3rd live stream. Earlier was like super popular. Today, this one is obviously me just working, so not everyone is that interested in those. And yeah, although it was good. Like earlier I was talking a lot, and now it's just like it turned into me actually using AI agent to try to fix my errors in the app, which is actually half of my live streams anyway, you know. So like I'm trying to like set something up and build something and whatever. But yeah, by the way, if you have any project you want to talk about, let me know on the Discord. I will try to actually arrange one day where we will be reviewing them and going through them, and that will be like an interesting idea for a podcast, I think, for live stream. And that might be a weekly thing. Okay, what's here? Either. Oh, so much work to do. Nothing mystical is wrong with your Firebase, you simply haven't been able to run the tool that performs the course update. The output is shows blah blah blah. Yeah. Talk to. The problem is that G wasn't on your shell's path. What's really going on? The cloud SDK is installed under blah blah blah. Now it is. How to proceed? Quote. What's this? Never done that. This course thing? No. It's like maybe no. Fix your path to include quote the extensible every time. Fix your path. Can I do this? It includes an SDK directory properly. No, not you, not you. It's run. Yes. Is this what we get? No. Bash src. Is this shit? I thought this is how we do that. Yeah, but okay, I think like I will finish at this point. I will try to figure it out tomorrow or something. Thanks guys for coming. It was an enjoyable live stream. I had some good interactions on the chat and a couple of subscribers, so everything is great. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment and do all that stuff, and join me on the Discord if you are up for some projects together. So yeah, thank you for coming. That was a blast and see you around.